I'm sure you've heard the news. Adopting a pet is one of the best things you can do. Adopting a pet isn't just good karma, it's life-saving. Whether it's a dog, cat, horse, fish, or even a reptile, each adoption means one less animal in a shelter. These amazing creatures bring endless joy and love into our homes. They teach us kindness, responsibility, and give us companionship like no other. Plus, adopted pets are often healthier and happier. You're giving them a second chance at life, and they'll repay you with unconditional love. So why not adopt? Your new best friend is waiting for you. Bring home love, bring home an adopted pet. It's pure good karma. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best breed is adoption.